Baoding Jiasheng Photovoltaic Technology Company Limited, a carbon-neutral solutions expert company established in 2007. Baoding Jiasheng Photovoltaic Technology Company Limited hereby gains solar, a carbon-neutral solutions expert company established in 2007. Gain Solar is a professional solution provider with the support of the entire industry chain for solar panels, building integrated photovoltaics, BIPV, and photovoltaic plus application. It can provide professional building energy conservation, photovoltaic plus solutions, and one-stop services including BIPV products, customized photovoltaic plus product R&D, design, production, installation, O&M for the global customers. Under the support of 4 national R&D and innovation platforms, including the State Key Laboratory of Photovoltaic Materials and Technology and the National Key Laboratory of Energy Photovoltaic Technology, Gain Solar has invested nearly 10 billion RMB in R&D funds, cultivated over 2,000 professionals in related fields, and launched a total of 12 generation of BIPV products, hundreds of photovoltaic plus products, applied in thousands of PV green buildings. Also, Gain Solar have accumulatively applied for 277 patents, edited and participated in the compilation of 16 various standards, the number of patent authorizations and participation in standards ranked leading in the industry. Gain Solar's carbon-neutral projects and products have covered nearly 100-plus countries and regions in the world, including the United Kingdom, the Netherlands, Germany, Middle East, and so on. In addition, we have obtained TUV, UL, SGS, and CQC certificates.